Windows acting slow, unstable, or just not behaving normally. Command prompt includes several built-in tools that can help diagnose and repair common problems. In this guide, I'll show you some of the most useful CMD troubleshooting commands, from checking system files to repairing the Windows image and testing your disk. First, open Windows Search and type Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Some troubleshooting commands need elevated permissions, so this step is important. Once the window opens, check that the title shows Administrator. Start with the System File Checker. Type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Windows will scan protected system files and try to repair corrupted files automatically. Let the process reach 100% before closing the window. This can take several minutes. If SFC reports problems it couldn't repair, try DISM. Run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This checks the Windows component store and can repair problems that prevent SFC from working correctly. Give it time, even if the progress seems stuck for a while. Next, you can check your drive with chkdsk. A basic command is chkdsk:, which checks the C drive for file system issues. For a deeper check, options such as /f can repair logical errors, but Windows may ask you to schedule the scan for the next restart if the drive is currently in use. If your computer is slow or an application seems stuck, type tasklist to see running processes. You can use tasklist to identify active programs and background processes. If you need to close a specific process, use taskkill carefully and only target a process you recognize. For network issues, start with ipconfig to check your IP configuration. Then use ping to test connectivity. You can also try ipconfig/flushdns if you're having certain DNS-related problems. These quick checks can help narrow down whether the issue is your computer, network, or DNS, and that's a solid CMD toolkit for Windows troubleshooting. Use SFC and DISM for system files, chkdsk for disk issues, tasklist for processes, and ipconfig and ping for network problems. Always run commands carefully and read the results before making changes. So work through one problem at a time, and CMD can be a very useful troubleshooting tool.